Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Now I am going to insert the SIM into the mobile, but the SIM tray given with this mobile is very worst and delicate. The user must handle with care, otherwise need to face a lot of problem. Coming to this mobile, it is of 6.28 inches and with a notch at the front. When I turn it to back, it is of full glass finish along with a dual camera and a flash and also a fingerprint sensor associated over there. When I turn to right, we have power button as well as silent vibration button. And at the bottom we can find the speakers and Type-C port as well as classic 3.5 audio jack. This is very cool to see here because it's very rare to find in the recent time mobiles. When I turn to left, we can find the volume controls over there. Face unlock feature is also available in this mobile. Now I'm going to switch on this mobile for an initial setup. Yes, you can see the Oneplus logo over there and the mobile is booting. This mobile takes much time when compared to the Pixel 2. Yup, finally the boot is done. We can even skip the Face ID scanning during the setup and do that later. Yes, finally we are on the home screen of Oneplus 6. The user interface at the end-to-end screen is very good looking and feeling very excited to use. And the notification section. Coming to the notification section, the alignment is very neat and appealing. The black and white combination is very good looking. And the gestures and the animations are very smooth and random. The fold view is very clear and neat. And the widgets are very properly aligned. This mobile came with Android 8.1 version and along with the Oxygen 5.1. The Oxygen OS is the manufacturer's own UI theme which has a very rich look. This also has a very smooth feel as well as feedback. Superb picture quality and the colors are also very good. We will be making the deep review on this camera shortly. The app screen alignment is very neat and the settings and navigation design is also very good. This device also consists of a black theme according to the white theme. Let's go and enable that and have a look. Yup, the black theme attracts the user. It's very good looking. The app screen design is very good and the settings as well as the navigation design is also very good. This black theme has a very interesting look with the blue as well as black icons. This combination enriched the design and let's have a look on different screens now. The white keyboard in the black theme is not that good enough. The keyboard would have been also given in the black color to enrich the design. Coming to the specifications of this mobile can be accessible with 2 SIM slots. Each of them can also be used with Vivo LTE SIM ports. This mobile weighs 177 grams and the screen size is 6.28 inches. This comes with optic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 16 million colors. With the resolution of 1080 into 2280 pixels at 402 ppi density. Coming to the chipset of this mobile, it is of Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 and CPU is octa-core 4x 2.8 GHz and the GPU is Adreno 630. Coming to the memory specifications, this mobile offers 2 variants. One is of 128 GB or 256 GB with 8 GB RAM and the other one is 64 GB with 6 GB RAM. And there is no external card slot for this mobile. Coming to the camera, this mobile has dual camera. One is of 16 megapixels and 20 megapixels elongated with a dual LED flash which supports 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second, and 1080p at 30, 60 and 240 frames per second, and 720p at 480 frames per second. And coming to the secondary camera, it is of 16 megapixels, which has many other features. This front camera also supports the HDR, smile capture as well as face beauty feature. When comes to the video, this front facing camera supports 1080p as well as 720p at 30 frames per second. When comes to the OS, this mobile comes with Android Oreo 8.1 as well as Oxygen OS UI theme. And the battery is of 3300 MHz and also supports the fast charging. Now coming to the advantages as well as the disadvantages of this device. First, coming to the advantages, it has a superb build quality and a weightless aperture. It is easy to accommodate in a single hand. The huge battery, that is 3300 MHz battery, has a very good battery backup. And the dash charger, which is also given with this mobile, helps in fast charging. This mobile is also associated with fingerprint as well as face unlock feature, which are working very quick. There is a notch at the top of the screen which is very neatly designed. This notch can also be enabled as well as disabled according to the user's choice. The 3.5mm audio jack is very comfortable to use and it's a rare aperture to see in these mobiles nowadays. Thanks for watching.